Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So I have 3 vector files. Let's select this map. This is map texture and this is line and this is circle. So select this map texture and move to here, then select this circle and Ctrl D for duplicate. Select this map texture. Let's move to inside circle layers, and if you not see this part, click toggle switch modes and select this map. Let's change none to alpha matte circle 2, and we can animate this map texture inside circle. Let's select this map and press P. Let's move to right like this and make new passing keyframe. Go to 6 seconds. Let's press N and let's move to left. Let's see. Okay, nice. So let's go to effects preset and search effect gradient ramp and select this gradient ramp. Let's use for this background solid layer and go to start color. Let's change dark blue. Click OK. Go to end color. Let's click here and select blue light like this and click OK. Let's see. Nice. And let's select this circle, map and circle 2 and line. Right mouse, precoms, add name earth, click OK. And back to word composition and go to effects preset, search effect glow. Select this glow. Let's use for this earth composition and change glow radius and glow like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's press S, change scale and move to center. Let's see. Nice. Then select this earth composition. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate. Select this composition, change light. And let's delete this glow. Let's use new glow for this light and change glow radius like this. Okay, that's good. So let's see. Nice. Then let's create new solid layer for space. Right mouse, new and solid layer, add name space, click OK and move to here. Then go to effects preset, search effect particle and select this particle playground. Let's use for this space and let's go to solo. Okay, let's open here Canon and change barrel radius like this. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's change particle radius 3 and change color light blue like this. Okay, click OK and let's unsolo. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's select this space and move to left this layer. Okay, and we can change all settings here. Let's change velocity like this. Okay, then search effect glow and select this glow. Let's use for this space and change glow radius like this. Okay, nice. Also we can change other settings here. Let's open gravity and we can change force here for falling stars or move to up. Okay, not bad. And let's change particle per second 120. Okay, not bad. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.